So, have you ever tried to clear the recent files you see on your Photoshop home screen? You may have tried different methods to delete it, like maybe right clicking it and other stuff, but it doesn't work. So, in this video, I'm going to show you a very easy method to clear all your recent files on the Photoshop home screen. So, make sure to watch the end. Let's get this video started. So, to clear the recent files, first click on the Photoshop icon here, and this will bring you to your Photoshop workspace. And then from here, you are going to click on File, and then you are going to click on Open Recent. You are not going to click on it, you are just going to put the mouse on it, and then you come down to Clear Recent File List, and then you click on it. So after this, you click on your the home icon here, and then when you come back you realize all your recent files have been deleted. Yes, so that's the very simple method to clear your recent files in Photoshop. If you like this tip, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Till we meet again, bye.